playing my sister on Nintendo. I had to go to school because sometimes I was sick.
Oh, are you sick right now?
No.
Are you sure?
No. Yeah.
You kind of sound sick.
Yeah, because my throat.
Oh, what's wrong with your throat?
I think I'm sound like the Wii.
What's that mean? The Wii U?
Yeah. How old are you? How old are you?
Me? I'm only 8. Alright, where do you want to land, bro?
I already know. You can pick it.
Wait, is this your first time ever playing Fortnite? Oh,
No.
Bless you, bro. Bless you.
I don't know how many times I played Fortnite before.
I've only played this game once.
I never played this game before.
Well, this is actually called Fortnite. It's free.
No.
Oh, bless you, bro. Bless you. That was a big sneeze. You heard that? You're sneezing like crazy. You actually might be sick.
No, that wasn't me.
You said you were sick, though. That's why you're staying home from school.
No, I'm not.
I just heard you sneeze.
That wasn't me.
Who was that, then?
I don't know.
That's weird.
My sister was in here.
Oh, that's her sneezing?
I don't hear her sneezing.
I thought I just heard you sneeze. Like, do you have allergies or something?
I don't have allergies.
Oh, okay. Dude, that is gross. Can you stop sneezing like that?
That wasn't me.
Who was it?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Not my sister. Not my sister.
I think that was you. That was you, bro. I'm not dumb.
I can't sneeze like that.
Alright, sneeze right now, then.
Sounds like,
Yeah, that was you. That's you, bro.
I don't know how we sneeze like that.
Are you sure? I feel like that's coming from your mic.
It's not coming from the mic. It's coming from your mic.
I'm not even sick, though.
But is
What?
she hearing you?
Hey, you know I show speed?
Yeah.
You know he got sick one time and he started sneezing?
No, I never done that before.
Oh, yeah, me neither. Dude, bless you, man. Bless you.
Oh my god, I just jumped down from that thing and I almost died.
Holy sneeze, bro.
That wasn't me!
Oh, dude, that's disgusting, man. Can you stop?
That wasn't me!
Bro, I'm not dumb.
I'm a little kid, how can I not... I can't sneeze like that. Kids can't sneeze like that. Whoa! That's not me.
Who is that, then?
It only happens if you have a nose sickness thingy.
Oh, do you have a nose sickness thingy?
No.
You're lying. Oh, dude.
No, I'm
you need to
not.
stop. Like, you need a tissue or something, bro. That's disgusting.
No.
No. That was a close call. Watch out. There's another one back here. He's about to hide in the house. Bro.
What was that?
That's you sneezing, bro.
What is that even noise?
I think it's a sneeze.
What was that?
Bro, can you stop that?
That's not me.
Who is it, then?
I don't know.
Nintendo Switch.
Bro.
It's Nintendo doing that, bro? What?
No one is doing that right now.
Wait, who is doing it?
Michael.
Who is Michael?
Who's Michael?
Who is Michael, bro?
Who the heck is Michael? My head all day long, my whole body, my head, my stomach been hurting.
Oh, even your nose, too?
No.
Dude,
What is that?
you're sneezing because your nose is hurting, bro.
I don't have one of those thingies.
You don't have a nose?
No. It's super
don't?
weird to have one.
To have a nose?
I do have a nose.
You don't have a nose, bro, for real? You should probably get that checked out.
Nose.
Well, then can you stop sneezing out of your nose? Cause it's gross. You probably have snot all over your Nintendo Switch right now, bro. Oh.
Look. Don't shoot him.
Why are you killing SpongeBob, bro? That's messed up.
You tried to kill him.
I tried to kill him because I thought it was him sneezing, but it's actually you the entire time. Do you have a SpongeBob nose or something?
No.
Then how come you don't have a nose?
I'm actually about to kill you right now. Okay, what about we just actually play the game now?
Alright, let's play the game and then let's have you stop sneezing, okay?
Okay.
Oh, so it was you. Okay, yeah.
No, I wasn't. Ow.
Oh no, I'm coming, Ender Dingus.
I'm angry dingus. But I'm dead.
You're
I'm
angered?
dead.
You're angered, Inglis? No, he's 1 HP, bro. Shoot him, Ender Dingus. Ender Dingus, shoot him.
I'm not angry dingus. What was that? Please stop doing that.
That's you, bro.
No, it's not.
Alright, dude. That's just eating. That's just disgusting, bro. Place your launch pad and run away. Place your launch pad and run away. Place your launch pad and run away. Alright, dude. I'm about to remove you if you keep sneezing. Dang it, bro.
It's not me. Stop, Eddie! Eddie! Eddie, stop! Eddie!
What is going on, bro?
I'm back.
Oh, okay.
Bro, I'm falling and down.
Wait, what's your name?
My name is
Colin gets to go.
And your name is Andrew Dingus?
No, it's not. That's
You just said it
my
was.
name.
Wait. Say your name again.
My name is
Colin gets to go. In Fortnite?
No, in real life. In real life.
My name is Dingus.
Andrew Dingus?
No, Tarek.
Oh, okay.
I want a minigun.
Bless you, bro.
Do you have a little bottle? Do you have a little bottle?
No, I don't have a little brother. Do you?
No, I have a big bottle. Yeah, he's not from English. He's from Arabic. Damn!
Don't die, bro. We gotta win.
I didn't even win once.
You never got in a single win before ever?
Nah, I don't miss.
Bless you, bro. Bless you. No.
It's not me. I got a sniper I can shoot everyone. I'm actually
idea.
bad on a sniper.
Oh, then maybe don't carry it.
We need like shotguns, like minigun.
You're actually right, bro.
Gotta make it.
Bro, why do you keep sneezing like that?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Bless you, bro.
That's not me. I want to snipe people like in the head. I want to snipe people.
Are you sick right now? Is that why you're sneezing like that?
No, I'm not sick.
Are you sure? You kind of sound sick.
No, this happened a long time ago.
What happened a long time ago?
I was sneezing a lot, then it happened a lot again.
Oh, so you're sneezing right now?
Yes.
Oh.
That happened like all year.
Oh, they have a minigun for you, bro.
I just sniped one. God.
You see that minigun, bro? Grab that, bro. Grab that.
We got a minigun. We're gonna win a game.
Dude. Stop sneezing into your mic, bro.
I don't have a mic.
What?
I forgot it. I have a Nintendo Switch with, I don't know, headphones. Hey! I need help!
Oh, crap. We're getting bombed, bro. Run.
I have a minigun! Help me!
Use your minigun, bro. Just run away, bro. Run away. Dang it.
They threw me for the wall. Are we that
Bless
bad?
you, bro. Bro, we're not bad. I think it's because you're sneezing and you're sick right now.
I'm not sick.
Then why are you sneezing? You got allergies?
I'm not sneezing like that.
Are you allergic to your Nintendo Switch?
Yeah, I'm playing on my Nintendo Switch.
Oh, okay. Me too.
You do have a Nintendo Switch?
Yeah, I do. You want to hear it? I'm going to turn it on right now.
Okay.
Nintendo Switch.
See?
What the fuck is that?
That's my Nintendo Switch.
You sound like a chicken.
Me?
Yeah.
But you're the one who's sneezing.
I'm not sneezing.
What do you mean? I heard it.
This is not sneezing.
What was
I
that?
went to the doctor last time. Stop.
Wait, do you like watching Toon 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 Sahur?
Nah, I hate Tum Tum, so let me just solve my Nintendo Switch.
Bro, what did you just say about Toon Toon?
I hate Tum Tum. Because I hate your brain rot.
Why, dude? You're the target demographic.
Because I never played Steel Brain Rot. I don't watch it.
Dude, what is going
Steel
Wait,
Brain Rot, like, everyone steals my brain rot.
did they steal your strawberry elephant?
Yes!
Really?
They just stole my rainbow one. Like, I got it.
You got a rainbow strawberry elephant?
Then someone stole it from me. Then I called the
Dang.
police on them.
Bless you.
It's not me.
What What do you mean, dude? I can hear it coming from your mic.
It does not bless you.
Why do you got radiation coming out of your mic right now?
Well, you have a TV.
That's radiation coming from your mic, bro.
No, it's not.
I can hear it, bro.
I've been doing this for like ew, like stop.
You put your headset in the microwave?
Thank you. Like this. I can't stop it, but I need to go to that stuff forever.
You've been sneezing for a year?
No, another one like this.
Oh, a
That
cough?
one.
You mean a cough?
Yeah. Like I can't stop it.
You probably got like lung cancer or something. You ever watch Breaking Bad?